Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this tablet into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power button. Nope, that launches Bixby. So we're going to pull down our notifications twice and then select the power button from here. And once you have your boot options, hold power off. When you do so, as you can see, it changes into safe mode. With a quick message, tap again to restart your tablet in safe mode. Downloaded apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your tablet. So I'm going to confirm it, and just to kind of go over this message a little bit further and just a tiny bit more in depth. This mode is designed for troubleshooting, like the message stated. So if you have some kind of software problem with your tablet, you can boot it into this mode. And if it's a software problem, obviously this problem shouldn't persist in safe mode, as basically every application that you've installed will be temporarily disabled. So if some application is causing you problems, it can no longer do so, as it cannot turn itself on, neither can you do it. When you boot up into this safe mode, you'll also quickly realize that Samsung also has their applications kind of blocked in this mode, which is a bit odd. So you can see things like the camera, Samsung internet browser, calculator even, YouTube Music, Spotify, and a bunch of other things, even calculator for some reason. So all these applications are temporarily disabled in this mode, and if you try to open them up, you can see that it will give you the pop-up, up disabled, so you can troubleshoot your tablet. Now the reason Samsung applications are disabled here is because when you set up the device, these applications aren't actually coming with the system. The device downloads them once you connect to network. So these are actually being downloaded in the background or after you set up your device. Therefore, they fall under the category to be, well, temporarily disabled in this mode. Now, once you're done with safe mode, you can leave it by finding the power button once more and selecting restart. When you reboot the device, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.